All right. So time right now 9:26, and stick with the plan, ladies and gentlemen. Right? Stick with the plan. Right? And market just about to open. Right? So we're clear and what it is we are expecting. Right? Okay, so we have a bias. Sure, we believe that the price is going to, it's going to play with everybody here. It's 92. Okay, it's 92 is the high of the wave. And, right? And 972, right? 972 is the, 972 is the, is where the price is going, right? Eventually, all right. Okay, so here it is. Okay, all righty. So we're approaching the open. We all know the open could be crazy. Here is our 87, right? It's our 87 short right here. Price went to 87.75. That's pretty good, right? And we just have to let the price do whatever the hell it's looking to do. We know where we have direction. This is what we believe is going to happen. We have entry location right here, and right, a clean break of 92. Price is gonna be looking to go all the way to 400. It's not gonna be a clean ride. It's not gonna happen. However, a clean break of 92 with when the gunpowder shows up, then we have to protect our current short position that we think is gonna take the low, complete that, and give us 15 points all the way to 72, right? All right. Unless I change direction, which we can change the direction in can I change the direction in the next 5 seconds, Mystic?
Absolutely.
Of course I can. All right. So one thing I'm gonna tell you. If this trip to 72 is a trap, and they really want to go up, then breaking the high is going to be breaking the low is going to be a totally 180 for us, all right? And then we'll be looking to go long all the way to 400, all right? So breaking the low, ladies and gentlemen, right, from 87 to 83, so we're up 5-6 points already, and let it ride. So, ladies and gentlemen, remember what I told you, right? We are in a snake wave, are we not, Mystic?
Yes, we are.
All right. So, what usually happens when the price goes to the low of a snake wave? What usually happens?
Goes back up.
Exactly. It's a snake. So we're not surprised that the price took the low, 83, right? What's the low? 83, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not surprised that the price took our low 83 quarter and it went to 1 point and then it bounced back up. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. It's a snake wave. Snake wave is sideways. Buy support and you sell a resistance, right? So, those of you who went long here, because you know that those are the rules. If I call for a snake wave and I give you the low, you know that you have to go long right there. You know that without me saying it. And you know that you have to go short 92, even though a clean break of 92 is price is gonna be looking to go to 400, 402. If I don't give you a new reading, that's exactly what you do. All right? Okay. So that's short term, right? So the main play still is our short 87. Look at that, Mystic. Is that 87 to the tick?
To the tick.
All right. So smart money takes the price all the way to 87, our entry short. It shakes out a whole bunch of weak bears, and then cannot take it, and then he has to continue on its way to 84, right? 3.3, almost 4 points, 83, right? And what's going on right here? Well, we are in a snake wave. So a lot of bulls, those traders that know the direction of the short-term wave, they're going long right here. They just jump the gun, because to them, there's, microscopes. Hey, every time this thing goes to the low, I'm going to go long. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. Right? Price is at the low of our snake wave. So I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. And that's exactly what we're doing as well. The difference is that we have a small position long the low, 83, 82, and we have a bigger position short because our plan, as long as we don't have to change hats, right, is to go to 72. So we want to have we're gonna play the resistances. We're gonna play the resistances until one of two things happen, right? I change hats to bull, right? Or the price goes to a resistance, recoil, and then 91, not looking back, stop, break even, start trading, right? All righty then. This is the open. All righty then. Let's see. Okay, I'm not changing hats at all whatsoever in terms of direction, right? So, all right, so we are supposed to be long 83, the micros, because that's what we always do. If we are in a sideways wave, then we go long the low and we go short the high. What's the high? 92. All right, so we know that we're going to short 92, and we know that short we are expecting to go all the way to 72, right? So 20 points from our original 87, right? Price gave us first, it gave us like 5 points first time. Okay, here we go. All right. So remember, oh my God, okay, so we're gonna pulse it out, right? 93, a clean break of 92. I haven't changed hats yet. Remember what I told you. 92, 400 is still resistance, okay? So, all right, so smart money just went ahead and trap, right? The break of 83 only went 1 point. We are long with the micros, right? And there is no reason at all whatsoever for you to get out of the long position that we have with the micros. No reason. Look at the way it's taking it, right? Yeah. And we are stucking a resistance somewhere, because longer term we want to ride this baby all the way to 72. All right, so price goes to 92 and you guys are believers and you take a beautiful shot short, 92, 92 quarter, 93, right? And look at how strong this move up is. We are long 83, 82 on the micros, and we are short 92, 93 with the ES. So what's going on right now? Well, look, are you kidding? Look at this violent move from 82 to 93. 11 points in a couple of minutes, Capi. Look at that. But because we have direction longer term down, as the price is going up, we're salivating because we know we're going to short 92, right? We never let a winner turn into a loser. This is a strong rally. We could totally be wrong, and the longer term is not going to be 72, but it's going to be 400, and that's what we're going to do with our small micro position that we're long 83, which is what we're supposed to be. No, Capi, I didn't take the 83 long because I wanted only go with the longer term. Then you're missing this. No, but what if the price, it's going to 72 and I'm long, man? You are long a small position and you get the hell out. You get out and you are short from 87 when the little that you're gonna lose on when you get out of that long, in case that it had continued going down, you're making twice as much already on the 87 short. Alrighty? Okay, so this is all mathematics. Price goes to 93. Cannot take it. It had to drop 3 points to 90. Right? We know that. And then look at the pools. This is a strong fight. This is the open. All of this is perfectly normal action. We're expecting all of this, especially after that long that we took here. Right? Okay. Oh my God. So what about the longer term to 72? We are still stuck in it until I tell you that that the market is not gonna go to 72 anymore. Then we continue shorting. Oh my God, Capi, I'm not gonna go short, man, against this strong rally, man. It's crazy. I'm going to keep my long position, and I'm gonna ride it all the way to 400. All right, of course, that's exactly what you're supposed to do. That's exactly what you are supposed to do. Stop here at the low, right? You got picked up at 83, 82, and you changed the same thing that we did here at 93. Stop, break even, start trailing your micros. Oh my God, we should have gone long the big position and short the micros. Yeah. I know. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? All right. So the important thing is, and this is a secret of the smart money. I'm telling you, this is such a secret that this is exactly what you want to do. All righty. So, all righty then. So remember what I told you, clean, right? So price went down, we took a shot, it gave us 3 points, it goes right back up. We never let a winner turn into a loser. We know that all of this is resistance. Price is shaking out the weak bears, and we're watching it all happen. Remember 402, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, remember 402. Okay, 402. Right, remember 402. It's not 400. It's 402. Okay, 402. All right. That's where the smart money is going to do everything in their power to take the, give me 1 second right here, to take the to take the weak bears. Okay. All righty. Let's see. Okay. I told all of you we're going long 83 and we're going short 92, right? Okay. And we had a small position. The initial, right, since 9, the price was from 9 a.m., right, to when we started shorting 87, it gave us 1 nice 2 with that 87 all the way to 82, 5 points. Okay, nice, 2 points, right? And then we never let a winner turn into a loser, especially at the Open. We know the Open has is way too strong, right? We don't want to. We don't want to. We don't want to. We don't want to mess with the Open at levels that are not pre-cycle levels. Alrighty. Okay. Longer term, this is still down to 72. And remember what I told you. I told you all of this hard. Smart money, they know if we are right and they're going to take the price all the way to 72 today, they have to take the stops of all the teenagers on YouTube, all the way to 402 and of course 400, right? In the meantime, right, we're not going to take any positions at a level that is not one of our levels, right? So we are long right here, 83, the low of the wave, right? The low of the 9-point wave snake that we talked about. And then you let it ride. There's no reason for us to get out of that long position that we have, because we believe that the smart money is going to do everything in their power to take it all the way to 492 to take all the stops of all the weak bears. And the bears that, like I told you, 92, we don't want to be sure any of this, right? All the way to 402, right? Okay, because it's too much. We don't want to let the price go 10 points against us, right? That's too much. 92 to 02, that's too much. All right. So we had 400 and 402. What's the mid range? 401. Price goes exactly to 401, drops, right, to 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. That's 6 points. Those of you who took the mid-range. No, Capi, I had a mid-range short, but I didn't get picked up. No fill for me because it went to 402, our mid-range to the tick. So I couldn't take advantage of that drop all the way to 95, man. That's beautiful. I wish I had gotten picked up. I wish the price had gone to 401 quarter like it's going right now, right? So that I make 5 points in 5 seconds, on the first attempt, but it didn't, man. All right, and look how strong this this bounce is. Oh my God. Yeah, man, this thing is going to continue going up. Oh, really? It could. So our job now is to see where it's going to go, right? For the bulls. For us, it doesn't matter, ladies and gentlemen, that we are long only a small position. I just say the micros to make it easier. If your maximum size is 10 contracts on the ES, then you can be long here, small position with the ES still 3-4 contracts, but not more than half. 5 is the maximum, right? 5. If your maximum position size is 10, 3, 4, 5. All right? Don't worry about it. The idea is that we'll be green every day, and not every day we're gonna nail the entry and the direction exactly how we see it. Many times we're gonna have to hunt it like we're doing it right now. And that's why I told you, hey, listen, I'm above 92 all the way to 02, right? Is where the smart money is going to take the price to destroy the teenagers on YouTube. I told you all of this. So you know you are watching the price go from 92 all the way to 02. And you already know it because I told you at 9 a.m. this morning. And you also know that if I don't change hats, main play to bull, we are long already. But a small position, this one right here, we're taking advantage of this. What's target one for the long trade that we're on from 93? It's right here, 02, 01. This entry short the mid-range, that's target one for our long position, the one that we're long, 83, 83, 93, 02, that's 18 points that we just made on the micros. Target one. And we're not getting all out. Let the price take you out. Hey, Capi, I have a question for you. What's the question? Well, if you still think that the price is going down to 72, or at least it's going back to 92, I prefer to be all out of my long play, the one that I took at 83. I just made 18 points on that long 83, the low of the snake wave. I'm all out, man. It's okay. I wouldn't say no to 18 points. So, hey, Capi, where's the price going? I'm gonna manage my long position, and I just want to know where the target two for the long. Target two, my friend, is 07. What? That's right, 07. That's target two. 07? That's nothing, man. That's nothing. Right? From 92 to 07, that's only 5 points, man. How can target 1 be 18 points and target 2 only 7 points? Because that's the way it is. Alright? That's the way it is. Target 2, 07. Okay, so we're gonna let the smart money continue playing with the amateurs. Remember, a lot of bears, those who thought that, like us, those who thought that the price was, beautifully gonna continue going down to 75, 72, 70, like we did, right? Those that don't know that a clean break of 92 price was going to continue to 02, like we did, they're adding to a loser. Remember that. They're adding to a loser. They didn't get out, and remember I told you, get the hell out. We're not going to let the price go 10 points against us. We're going to get back in. We're going to get back in short our levels only. All right? So that we have as long as there is no new rotation, as long as I don't change hats to bull, we're going to continue playing the short side as the main play, and we're going to manage the long play as the price is moving. Expecting the price to break 02 and continue to 07. At 07, you're gonna take target 2 for the long 83. 07. Okay? This is one of the most important things that you need to remember. I don't think it's recorded because I started recording. I don't record the trading day for the plan. I don't record it. Right? I give you the trading plan for the day, and I don't start the recording, the video that we're gonna post on YouTube later. I don't post the trading plan for the day there, so you're not gonna see it. But I'm gonna refresh your memory what I told you. Right? when we have, and write this down so that you never forget it, right? Write it down. When we have a strong direction like we had this morning, remember the overall market direction, the technical trend, the future intention of the trend. Remember, we had all of that bearish, and the price goes the other way. That's a guarantee. That's why I told you a break of 90, 92, it will go to 02. The only way that the price can break such a strong direction down that we had this morning, our triple crown down, right? Overall market direction, the technical, and the future intention. The only way that the market can break that 92, the high of our wave, they need a strong enough strength. They need a lot of gunpowder. They cannot take such a strong resistance unless they go with full gunpowder, like a cannon. Bang! And then I measure that here. It tells me, hey, listen, 92 is broken. It will go to 02. And look at what happened. Right? And boom. And then we continue shorting resistance. We continue shorting it. We continue shorting on until I tell you don't do it anymore. As the main play. Right? There is no reason at all whatsoever to get all out of the counter trend. That 82 is a counter trend of the 72 downtrend. I know it's a little bit complicated, but our main play is down to 72, right? From 87, from 92, and from 401, right? The mid-range. That's our future play. Sure. All those levels. Any longs that we take is a counter trend of the 72 trip. Of course, we can all see that the main play for the open is long. Look at this gorgeous move from 82 all the way to 02, right? 82, 92, 02, right? 20 beautiful points, right? We know that that's the main play. Sure, for the regular traders, not for us. For us, is still a trap. I can change hats, right, to from bear to bull any second as the main play, our main play, not to be confused, our main play. All right. Why? Well, because we have to watch the market tick by tick, minute to minute, second to second. We are long 83, expecting the price to break 02 and continue to 07. That's target 207, right? That's the management for the long 83 that we took. Boom, this is 02, right? Boom, 02, taking 02. Remember what I told you, there's absolutely no reason at all whatsoever to be all out of our 83 long that we are expecting to continue to 07. We took a short 02. Oh, okay, good. No, no biggie. Bulls are really strong, But we took advantage of that pullback all the way to 97, right? From 01 to 97. And remember what I told you. We are, this is a fight, right? Sometimes we have to fight sometimes we have to fight the market, and sometimes it goes with us, right? As long as we have, as long as we have a double play, right? Then our job is to manage it. Okay. All right. So price goes to 02, right? 03, 1 point from 02 to 03, 1 point, right? Razor sharp entry short 02, remember? 01 is the mid-range. 02 is the exact level, right? Where we go short. Price goes to 03. You take the 02. You know that smart money wants to take it to 07, right? And you are going to 07 with the micros, but you are short right here, right now, 02, 02 quarter, 03 with the ES. And you know that a clean break of 03, this baby is going to continue going up to 07, right? So you have to get the hell out of our current short 02, 03 with the ES and let the micro long position, long 83, continue riding all the way to 07. Right? Okay. Alrighty then. You will not see this type of trading anywhere in the world because only professional traders trade like this, and they will not disclose that to you. I'll do it to you. I'll do it for you. Okay. Alrighty then. All right. So Goldman just called me and said, "Hey, listen, Capi, what? That's it. We took all the money of all the teenagers on YouTube and all the girls on YouTube, and all the boys that has 1 million subscribers on YouTube. That's it. We took all their money. We're done going up. We're not going to take 03. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. Well, for now. Okay. So that information, what does that do to us? We're short 02, right? Now we have confidence that we are now on the side of the main play. We let the smart money destroy the weak traders, right? All the teenagers. We've known it since 9 a.m. this morning. Boom, we're short 02. And this is now, ladies and gentlemen, the best risk reward entry short for a play now. Of course, 72, that's far. Oh my God, 72. I'm not expecting 72 anytime soon. All right. But I'm expecting 92. This 92 right here, I am expecting the price to go all the way to 92. 92, ladies and gentlemen, is now target 1 for the short 02 that I've been telling you all this morning to take. Right? 02, 1 point of hit. Drop. Right? And I'm expecting the price to go all the way to 92. That's target 1. And then we'll take it from there. Alrighty. Oh my God, Capi. I had the coconuts to take that short 02, man. And look at this, 94. So I just made 8 points, buddy. I'm going to log my 8 points right here. I'm not going to let it go all the way to 92, man. I don't want to risk this thing to bounce right here and go to 07. So I'm taking my 8 points right here. I'm okay with that. Alrighty. All right. But this 03 is not going to be taken easily anytime soon. This up move, it's over. It's over. 03, 07. There is a 5 points right here from 03 to 07 that we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did when the price went up against our main play. But remember that price went up with our counter main play. All right. So we made 20 points on the micros right here, and we just made 8 points on the ES, and I'm expecting the price not to take this high right here. That's not gonna happen. If it does take 03, and if we like it at 03, we love it at 07. All right. Okay. So let's see. Look at your P&L, right? So I'm not gonna hold it against you if you took this pullback, right? That we were expecting the price to it went to 94. We were expecting the price to go to 92, right? And I told you if you get out 8 points here, yeah, it's okay. You know, this is a strong son of a gun, no question about it. I'm not expecting a clean break of 03. And if we like it at 03, we love it at 07. I already told you that. And we're gonna continue with the plan, right? Okay. Alrighty then. So, but we never let a winner turn into a loser. Clean break of 03, it'll go to 07. And remember, 07 is target 2 for the long 83 that we took at the open. Target 1, target 2. Alrighty. No, Capi, come on. What the hell is the matter with you? When you said the price is not gonna take a 3, and it pulled back all the way to 94, what the hell are you talking about? That was my stop, man. I don't have any more ammunition long. That pullback took it. I'm okay with that. I'm telling you that that this is day trading. All right, so, right, because that's managing, right? Pullback, 8 points, pullback. Of course it took your trail right here at 97. However, those of you who know, those of you who don't trade scare money, you know that this 83 long has not been invalidated. I'll tell you when to not be long anymore. This is all this is ebb and flow of the market, right? Our long 83 setup has not been invalidated. Far from it, all right? Break of 91. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put it right here. Break of 91 invalidates that. Alrighty. Okay, as long. Alright, here we go. Boom. As long as the price doesn't take 91.90, right? The long 83 is still a play expecting to go to target 207. Capi, I'm a scalper, man. I'm not. Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna let the price. This is gonna take all day. Exactly. Remember? Tempo, sway, and durable. No, but I'm a scalper, man. I want to get in and out and get the hell out of here making 2 minutes while most people making 2 hours. All right. It's up to you. Every trader has his own agenda. Right? Look at your P&L. Make sure that you're good. But if you want to continue trading, you continue doing exactly what I tell you to do. Take it, right? Didn't I say? I told you. Goldman just called me. I told you this at 10:06. Time right now, 9:21. Goldman just called me and told me your O2 is an amazing resistance level. Great level to be short the ES, the big position. And Capi, just so that you know, we will not take the high 03 anytime soon. So you can tell your member. Boom, bang, bing. O2 couldn't even touch O3, and another pullback to 94. And this is what we're expecting now to happen. 94, 04, 94, 04, 04, 94, 94, 04 for a while. And then more management. No, we're going to bring 07 to 06 now. Okay, we're going to bring it down 1 point, all right? 1 point. 06 now. No longer 07, 06. So this is what we do in the meantime, right? We're not going to get out of our O2 short that we have with the ES. And expect the price to continue to 91, 90, 91. Oh my, come on, Capi, that's only 91, 94. That's only 3 points, man. I'm not going to take a risk of expecting the price to break 94 and go to 91 for 3 points only. I don't think so, man. I'm going to get the hell out right here. 95, 96. You know, I'm going to lock. And I'm done for the day. This is a tough day today. I don't like it when the main play goes against me, man. Okay, I don't have any problem. If that's your reasoning, I can totally understand it. All right? But you'll see. All right? And that's not scare money, by the way. That's, that's you making sure that you are green every single day. Doesn't matter. Some days we buy a Lamborghini and other days we buy a Cinquecento. Not every day is a Lamborghini day. Listen to this and write it down. Hey, listen, Capi, you just said that the future intention of the direction of the trend is slightly bullish. So 06, is that where the bulls want to take the price? That's correct. 06 is the first since the new rotation, since the new reading that we're having right now. Okay, plenty bulls are gonna go long 90-91, expecting a bounce off of it. Shenanigans. Leaping up and down 90, 02, 02, 90, 90, 02, 02, 90, and eventually take 02 and continue to 06. But that's only 4 points, man. It is 4 points now. But we have to continue watching to see what's going to happen, because if the bears take complete control, right, which is what we want, because we have a bigger position short than long, right? So that's what we want. We want the bears to take full control, break 94, continue to 90, 91. It's not going to be easy taking it, but we want the price to break it and go to hell so that we can buy a Lamborghini today. That's what we want, right? We don't know what's going to happen because that's called day trading. We have to see minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, candle to candle, recognition to recognition, Renko to Renko. We have to see what the price is going to do, see if we're going to have a new direction. Is there going to be a change in condition? Is the market going to go out of balance? Are we going to have a single market dimension or a double dimension, right? So a lot of stuff that happen all the time. Our job is to read the market second to second, complete control, full concentration, and bam! Breaking of 92, breaking of 94, and going to our beautiful boom 91, right? Okay, so what does this tell you? I know what this tells you. It tells you that all this move up to 02 was nothing but a nasty, beautiful bull trap. And we here at CTC knew it since 9 a.m. this morning. And we play both sides nicely. Boom. I told you 10 minutes ago, Goldman called and he said, that's it, we're done going up, Capi. That's it, we're not taking 03. Target 1 right here, 90.91. And that's how the cookie crumbles in this trading room where I read our system minute to minute as it's happening. Right? No after the fact, none of that garbage that you see on YouTube. A lot of teachers, a lot of educators, right? Teaching you how to trade all after the fact. None as it's happening. You know why they don't do it as it's happening? Like we're doing it here? Because they don't know how. A lot of vendors teach you after the fact, and they have a strong voice, and they they sound confident. They make you believe that they know what they're saying. Garbage. After the fact, we're all geniuses, aren't we? This is what I love about Capital Trade Center the most. Capital Trade Center is like New York. You know this song? If you cannot make it here, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Well, CTC is the opposite. If you cannot make it here, you're not gonna make it anywhere. This is the opposite. Because if you cannot make it here with the directions that we give you, you're not gonna make it anywhere. You don't have what it takes to be a day trader. No, I do, Capi, come on here. Well, we'll see. But I'm telling you, the good thing about Capital Trade Center for a new trader is that they find out soon. Oh man, it's true. Everything this guy says, it just happened. It's unbelievable. I'm still losing. I guess I don't have what it takes. That's it. I'm going back to real estate. I'm just teasing real estate because so much going on with real estate. I'm just going back to, I don't know, whatever it is you were doing before. Okay, 84, 80, what did I say? What the hell is the matter with me? 80, yeah, here it is. 85, 86 is target 2, all right? Okay. 85, 86 is target 2. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, so you see how things change? Before the open, target 1 was 72. Well, market is going to do all kinds of new things, new readings, Now, target 2 is right here. Right? Now this is target 2, imagine, Target 2, my friend, is 85, 86. That's target 2 now. Target 1 was right here, 92, right? Right? It's amazing. This is how it's done. Oh, come on. Right? Remember, 92. All right. 92 was target 1 for our short 02 that gave us 11 points. And now, my friend, Boom. Target 2, right? Look at this beauty. Look at it. Right? It's target 2. So get out right here, 85. Okay? All right. 85 from 402. Right? 402 minus 385. That's 17 points. Right? We just made 17 points on target 2. Alrighty. What else do we know? Remember what I told you? Price needs to destroy 90 for the long to be invalidated. It destroyed 90. It was our target 1. We're writing it now to target beautiful 2, right? And, okay, and now target 3, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think target 3 is now? Anybody? Just tell me, what do you think target 3 is now? Boom! Exactly. That's target 3 now. And this, my friends, is how this is done. 72 is now target 3 for our Shore 02, the one that we've been hunting since 9 a.m. this morning. Alright, so 85, right? 85. It's target 2. Right? And there you go. Now, 72 is target 3, alright? Okay, good. Alright, so Nash, what do you mean with that question mark? Okay. Oh, of course, yes, but by way of the double bottom, by way of 82. Yeah, absolutely. All right, good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so market just changed. Is on a single dimension now, and the odds of a continuation are tough, or the actual reading, and right. So we had our O2 shore that gave us all the way to 80, 90. Man, that's 22 points. That's 22 points in our direction, right? We had target 1. And we had target 2 right here. We got a nice bonus. Price goes to the low, double bottom, right? And we know our 82, 83, remember? When we went long here, 83. Of course, this is still support. It's a double bottom. And look at the volatility now. Beautiful, right? All those bulls that they added to a winner, or they built back better. Those bulls that went late, and they just went ahead with the double bottom, which is the only setup that the teenagers know want you to do. It's a double bottom or a double top. They call it an area of demand. They just learned that. They just learned that terminology, right? Look, it worked nicely for them. Of course, they only trade demo, so it means nothing to them. They just make a lot of money on these subscriptions, and but it did look at it, right? And for us here, we're done, basically. All right, we're done for the day, ladies and gentlemen, and so we still have 06 as the next resistance, and 72 is still as the next support. Still 72 right there. Let me see. It hasn't changed, so it's still there. For us, however, keep what you made, enjoy it, and go play golf. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how the cookie crumbles. Tomorrow, we'll have another day, and we'll do exactly the same thing we did today. And remember, if it's not life, it's not real.